Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 71 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today, I'm going to be trying out the lip oil from this PUR Cosmetics The Perfect Matte Velvet Matte Liquid Lipstick Collection with lip oil. And I've tried 3 of the colors from this collection so far, and I have loved all of them. And I'm so excited to finally be trying out the lip oil, especially because my lips feel so dry that I definitely need to condition them. So this lip oil is an agave lip oil, and it seems multifunctional because it says to coat the lips in the oil before applying lipstick as a conditioner. You can put it on after lipstick as a pop of shine, or you can use it alone as a way to revive dry lips. And so this whole collection retails for $24 at the paper store, and it is cruelty-free. I'm gonna start out by just applying it to my lips, and then I'm gonna put a lipstick on top of it. It actually smells like olive oil, like oil that you would use for cooking. My dry lips are immediately moisturized. They feel so much better right now. It definitely feels like a lip gloss, more so than a lip oil. Yeah, so that feels so nice. It feels so relieving on my lips. I would totally just throw this into my purse and apply it whenever my lips got dry. But what I'm really excited to see is how it looks underneath the lipstick. So I have here the shade Oh Bay of the Velvet Matte Liquid Lipsticks from the same collection. And the lipstick on its own is a super comfortable, non-drying liquid lip. But let's see how it looks on top of the lip oil. Okay, so I have the lipstick on top of the lip oil, and I feel like it looks great, but it feels amazing. So it's still looking matte on my lips, even though I have that shiny lip oil underneath. The lipstick still applied perfectly on top of it. I feel like my lips look extra healthy. I feel like the lipstick on its own made my lips look healthy and not dry, but it's nice to have that extra layer of conditioning underneath the lip product when my lips are feeling extra dry. So I would totally put on the lip oil first before the lipstick, just so that I'm adding a little extra healing power to my lips. The last step that I want to try is putting the lip oil on top of this lipstick and see how it is adding a little extra shine. Okay, so I just applied the lip oil on top of the lipstick, and if you look at the applicator, it now has the lipstick color on it. So that means that it took off some of my lipstick and kind of ruined the applicator. So I don't really want to put it on top of any lipstick. I would rather just use probably a lip gloss that doesn't have a doe foot applicator if I wanted to add some shine on top of my lipstick. But I like the look of the matte lipstick anyways. If I wanted to use a lipstick with sheen, I probably wouldn't have used a matte lipstick to begin with. So when it comes to this lip oil, I would much prefer to use it alone or definitely underneath lip products. I feel like that worked out really nicely. Right now it just feels like I have so many layers of lip product on my lips right now. So my lips are feeling kind of sticky at this point, even though I do think that they look good. So all in all, I'm going to say that this lip oil is great alone, but it's best underneath liquid lipstick because it really makes my lips feel extra comfortable and hydrated and healthy when I have this underneath my lipstick. Let me know in the comments below if you have any tips or tricks on how to deal with dry lips. I feel like I'm always struggling to keep my lips from being super chapped. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.